Hello, readers. Welcome to the Happy Place to Grow. I'm Mrs. Davis, and this is week 3 in our phonemic awareness lessons that we are working through together. We're understanding that as we grow in our ability to hear sounds in spoken words, it's going to stair-step us to excellent reading skills in the future, because when we see words in print and we already recognize and understand sounds that we're hearing, then we're able to sound out those words and read them much easier. So we're going to be working today. It's day 1, or we're calling this Monday or day 1. So whenever you start week 3, you're going to be working through 5 days. Wow, that sounds like a lot. However, we understand that we only have 4 quick, easy activities. No materials are necessary. Just hocus pocus, give me all your focus. We're going to be working through rhyming, repeating, listening, identifying. You've got this. All right, find a spot and we're going to get started. Remember, just 4 quick, easy activities. You've got this. Here we go. Activity number 1 in our lesson today is rhyme time. So I'll be saying 2 words that rhyme, and we understand that words rhyme because they have the same middle and ending sound. So that combination makes words rhyme, and rhyming words flow together. So I'll say them, they'll be rhyming words, and you're going to repeat them. And here's what's new in week 3. In week 1 and week 2, the words all had the same rhyme, be it et or en or an. All the words had the same pattern. In today's activity, the words rhyme, but they're going to have different middle and ending sounds. But we can do this. I'll say 2 words, they'll rhyme, and you repeat. Here we go. Got to tune it up, right? Net, pet. Now you say those 2. Can, ran. Pig, dig. We know this is easy, isn't it? Fox, box. Last pair that rhyme. Duck, luck. Excellent. Good job. Okay, activity number 2 is where we're thinking about the first sound that we hear in a spoken word, the very first sound. So I'm going to be saying the sound, and then I'll say a word that has the sound in it at the beginning, and you are going to repeat. Okay? Are you ready? Oh, I know you are. Here we go. Fish. Did you hear the f in fish? Let's keep going. Four. So I'm going to say the sound, you repeat the sound. I'll say the word, you repeat the word that has that beginning sound. Last one in this collection of 5. All right, we're going to keep going, but we're going to change the beginning sound. The beginning sound will be k. Coat. K. Kids. Last one. K. Cup. I heard k at the beginning of each of those words. Wow. See, I told you these were easy and quick. We're already at activity 3. Let's keep going. This is called blending words. So we're going to have a small word, and we're going to put the two small words together to make a big word. All right, let's go. So I'll do small word, big word, and then you are going to repeat the activity, small word, big word. Okay. Shoe, box, shoebox. Now it's your turn. Smash them together. All right. Door, knob, doorknob. Your turn. I like to do these little motions because it kind of makes me realize I'm taking two and blending. And you can do that too. Some, one, someone. How you doing? I know you're doing great. Life, time, lifetime. Last one, class, room, classroom. Now you do it. Easy. We've got this. Okay. Activity 4 is the final activity, and it has to do with final sounds. So you know words have letters, letters have sounds. We've already been listening for the beginning sound of words, and now we're going to focus on the very last sound in a word, the final sound. So I'll say the sound, and then I'm going to say the word that has that sound at the end, and then you'll repeat. So listen closely, because I'll say the sound at the end of the word and then the word. And you do the same thing. You can be a copycat. What will be different about this final sound activity from our first 2 weeks is that we're going to be changing it up. So we'll have an ending sound with a couple words, and then we'll switch out ending sounds. We're growing in our abilities to listen and identify. Here we go. J, edge. Now it's your turn. Sound, word. Did you say j, edge? Good. Let's do a few more. J, huge. Good job. J, cage. Great. Now let's switch ending sounds. Let's change it up a bit. Ending sound this time will be s, nice. You got it. S, bus. You got it. Last one. S, miss. Easy, we're done. You know, these are really simple, quick activities, but they're so powerful because we're really listening to spoken words and we're thinking about sounds within those words, and that's preparing us to be able to identify when we're reading, looking at words in print. So whether you're just beginning in your journey of reading, you're not really reading yet, but you're just thinking about sounds and rhymes, or you are a reader, but you're struggling a bit. You're having trouble identifying sounds in printed words, maybe in school or when you're trying to read books. So these activities, easy but powerful, they're going to launch you, propel you into stronger reading abilities in the future. So hang with me. Now today, of course, was day 1 of this 3rd week. I want you to join me tomorrow, day 2, or Tuesday. We're going to be working through the same activities, but with different words. You know, practicing over and over again really builds your ability to be confident in what you're doing and what you're identifying. And don't forget to practice at home these same activities. You can test out your parents, your goldfish, your grandma. Call her up and say, hey, let's do some rhyming. You know your grandparents would love that. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. It's important for you to do all 5 days with me. All right, can't wait till we get together and work again. As always, have a good one.